Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. As you can tell by the title, it is a speaker battle fail. And I'm going to tell you why it's a fail, and I'm going to show you so you can listen to it. I was trying to do my normal speaker test like I normally do with 3 different phones. When I started playing music from SoundCloud, I heard this crackling, popping sound coming from the speaker. Didn't know what that was about. So I went to YouTube, played some videos, and everything seemed fine. So I went back to SoundCloud, and this popping sound is still there. So I decided to look up this on Sony's website, and a couple other people have been having problems with it. It seems like third-party app, you get this cracking sound or like a popping sound from your speaker. It's pretty annoying. I'm just doing this video just to bring it to your attention. If you have the Xperia 10 Plus, let me know in the comments, or are you having any problems like this? If not, that's great. If you are, the only thing that I know is that you could try to return it to see if you can get one that doesn't do it, because apparently they say it's rare. There's like 10 or 15 people that's already reporting it, but it looks like it's just happening with third-party apps that's not been pre-installed on the phone. So let me get into it. I don't want to make this video too long. Yes, I am going to return this phone and get a new one. I actually ordered a new one already, had the return process going too, but let me get into it. So you go to SoundCloud, and it happens on games too, but I hope this is coming out in the video. And it's not just that song. It does that a lot, by the way. You can turn the volume down, you can turn the volume up, and it still does it. It does it on apps too, like even in Facebook. Don't laugh at the game I play with my friend on Facebook. Yes, it's friends with words or words with friends. But if you listen, you hear that little popping sound? That extra popping sound? And that's not supposed to be there. You heard it? So there's a crackling, something coming from the speaker down here is making that sound on third-party apps. Now online, people have been having problems with WhatsApp. PUBG does the same thing when you're playing a game. It has this crackling sound in it too. I'm just bringing it to your attention. If you have this phone and it doesn't do it, great. Stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, I'm getting a new phone. It's already been ordered. I should have it tomorrow. And I will let you know if it's better, if it's improved. Maybe I just have a bad unit, or if it happens again, maybe it's a software problem and they can update it with a software fix. But I don't know yet, so we definitely will find that out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Xperia 10 Plus. Stay tuned to the channel because I do have a camera test coming up. We'll show off the cameras on this phone because they are really good, especially in low light situations. Please don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.